In this video, I'm going to show you how you can force quit an app from the Apple menu on the Mac. Let's go to my Mac. Now, if you're having a problem with an app, one of the things that you can do is you can force quit that app. When you force quit an app, it is not going to save any changes. It's going to force that app to quit. So how do we do that? Well, one of the easiest ways is just by going up to the Apple menu. Underneath the Apple menu, we have an option for Force Quit. When I select this, we have a new window that opens up, and it lists all of the different apps that are open. So all of these apps here are open on my Mac. To force quit any one of them, all I need to do is just select it. So let's go with Pages here. I select it, and then I force quit. Now again, you do have to be careful with this. It is not going to save any changes. So if I've made some changes in Pages, it is not going to save those. But in most cases, the reason why you want to force quit an app is because you can't do anything with it anyway. It's locked up. You can't make any changes. You can't save any changes. So the next best thing is to force quit it. You're going to see that I do have Pages open here. It has a black dot below it. To force quit it, I just select this. I confirm that I want to force quit it, and now we can see that it is no longer open. So that's how you can easily force quit an app from the Apple menu on the Mac. All you have to do is just go up underneath the Apple menu and go to Force Quit. When you select Force Quit, a new window will open up and it's going to show you all of your open apps. Just select the app you want to quit, or I should say force quit, and it'll force quit that app. In most cases, all you have to do is just reopen that app and it'll probably work fine. So that's how you force quit apps from the Apple menu on the Mac.